Today I'm going to show you how to make a towel roll, specifically your towel roll, because you're going to use this as an important piece of equipment throughout a lot of the exercises. So I want you to get a towel and I want you to open it up, and you're going to have it, the shorter end is going to go from left to right and the longer end is going to go from top to bottom. So you're going to fold it in half. Really try to keep it tight throughout the whole process, because the tighter it is, the more dense it will be, and that will really help you with the exercises. And then you're going to fold it in half again. Now you don't want to try to roll from here, because as you're starting to roll, the bottom's going to open up. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold it like this, and I want you to put it on either a table or the bed and lay it out. And don't worry if the bottom opens, it's okay. We can straighten it out as we go. So you're going to start to roll, remembering to make sure you're doing your breathing when you're doing this, because when you're bending over, your stomach is going to push up on your diaphragms are going to push up on your lungs, and it could make you short of breath. So you're going to slowly start to roll nice and tight. Now you're going to notice the bottom is going to open up. Just keep straightening it out, flattening it out, keeping it nice and tight. And as you're rolling it, you're straightening it. And trust me, the more dense it is, the more you're going to feel it, and that's where you're going to get a lot of benefit from this exercise. We're going to go like this. And once you get to the end, I want you to take a rubber band, and I want you to put it around one end, and then you're going to flip it over, and you're going to put it on the other end. That way it will secure it. It's not going to move when you're exercising. This is how you make your towel roll. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next. We really love hearing from you. Also, I have exciting news. We have a new online pulmonary rehab course and awesome workbook where we give you lots of education and then teach you step by step how to walk, climb stairs, and exercise with so much less shortness of breath. Visit our website, pulmonaryrehab.com, and sign up today. I'll see you in the next video.